Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm at Michael's checking out some few things for some craft and project I'm working on. And I wanted to take you guys with me to check and see what they have. What are these? Little pendants. These are $5.99. Interesting pendants for your necklace, your chain. And these are $5.99, you guys. At Michael's, look at these cute little beads here. Very nice. Let me go ahead and check out this out here. And look at this here. This is a necklace band. This is going for, let me see here, $18.99, you guys. And the little one is $7.99. And they have these as well for your bracelets, your watches, and whatsoever. Look at their little bracelets. $9.99 for these bracelets here. They're so very cute. You guys, very nice. Love it at Michael's here. And let's go ahead and keep going here. And what are these here? I guess these are real crystals and stuff. Jades necklace. These are going for $16. Look at these. These are $8.49, and they have them here in different colors. I guess these are bracelets, one-piece bracelets. They're at $8.49 as well. Look at this here. Very nice. $5.99 for this. It says positive intentions. This bracelet here. And they have little small pieces of crystals and stones in here. Let's go ahead and check out another out, you guys. Look how big. These are the bigger, way bigger versions of the necklace stems. They have them going 50% off here. They have white and black. And look at these here. These are going $12.99. And they have more of the necklace down here, these beads. These are different prices. You have $3.99, $5.99, $9.99, and $12.99. You guys, I feel like a kid at a candy store. Look at these section here. This is so crazy. Oh my god. It's amazing. And they have beads here. And stones for your crafts. And your little projects and arts and things. These are $3.99. We have a whole bunch here. You guys, I'm gonna do a couple of these owls here and maybe have to come back and check out the store again for you guys, because I know I can't do the whole store. These are stones. You can use these for nails, to create things in your shirts, clothes, or whatsoever. These are $5.99 for these stones. Look at these pendants here. $7.99 for these pendants. Lovely stones, Sarasi stones, you guys. These are real good stones. I definitely use these stones when I do nails. for the designs. And these are $5.99, and some of them are $9.99. Very beautiful crystals here. And just giving you guys a quick little peek here on what they have. Look at this. This is a pendant. This is $9.99. And I like this here. It seems like a little crystal pendant, $9.99. So this here. And you have these here. Other ones. Very beautiful, you guys. Go check them out. This one here is $8.49. So go check them out at your local Michael's, you guys. Just browsing through and going to the next section, you guys. I love this owl here. You guys, I have to leave. I'm becoming so obsessed with that owl. So let's go ahead here and see other things that they have. Look at these cute fall flowers, you guys. They are beautiful at Michael's. You have them going for 40% off. So check that out. Look at this card, this little card here. Checking out the price. It looks like it has a top for it too. So you guys, I'm trying to be careful with it. It's $29.99 for this. So cute. We have little pumpkins here. And they already have some of the Christmas stuff out. Well, some, not all of it, but look at these here. They're going for 40% off. At Michael's. You guys, look at this here. These is beautiful. Look at that. Love that. How much this going for? $24.99. We also have this welcome sign as well. Look at the little bird with the crown. And this one here is going for $16.99. I like these little striped pillows, you guys. You know how I love the stripes, and this going for 40% off. Look at these. Oh my god. This is so cute. He's reading a book. I think that's so cute. This one is $21.99. And you have this here. These are so cute. $9.99. And this here $12.99. And oh my god, loving this little bathtub. It's pink on the inside. It has this pearlyish look. This is $16.99. You guys, this is to die for. Oh my goodness. This here is going for $14.99. Look how beautiful that is. It has the little pearls and the little glitter there going across the